Welcome back to Zacchaeus. I'm so glad you joined me for another video. It has been a crazy hot day in Texas, y'all. It is summertime. This is a cool video if you have a BMW or a car that has this ability. This is really for BMW drivers. Another BMW video, and it's all about the accessories. It's all about the accessories, guys. This video is going to be really short, quick, and sweet. Here we go. Alright guys, so I just got my brand new BMW 6-7 months ago, 2022, my first M. If you haven't seen some of my videos on that, if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. It's free to do so, cancel at any time, become part of the Zacchaeus Nation. We got cool videos for you, no matter what you're into. We got things for men. I got my favorite water. I do robot vacuums, routers, and travel tips. That's all coming here. New videos coming all the time, every week. So be sure and hit that subscribe button. But you can also go back anytime into the channel and look at videos. And I've got another BMW video, really cool, how to program your BMW. But my new BMW has this cool thing on the back of the seats. Right here it's showing you can buy the accessory for any car, by the way. And it'll go in between your headrest bars. But if you can look right here, I'll get a closer look of it, but there's a built-in thing to the back of the seat right here, and it just slides open, and it's basically like this square hole that you can click things into, and there's all kinds of things you can do. They've got an accessory for a GoPro, so you can video yourself, for iPads, to hang your bag on it for purses and stuff like that, or for shopping. It's even got a little like TV tray if someone's riding with you that needs to eat, like a kid or something. And it has this, which I really like, because a lot of times I need a jacket. In the winter time, I like to keep a jacket in the car, because I'm not really a jacket kind of person. I don't wear them all the time. I just want to put it on if it's cold or something, have it with me. Or if I'm wearing a suit or something for church or whatever, or business, whatever it may be. I just really thought this was super classy. And it was like 50 bucks. It wasn't expensive or anything. And it just pops in there. And I can just pop it out when I don't need it, like during the summer right now, and just, you know, whatever. So I just wanted to show you guys how it works really quick, what it looks like, just super quick, because I'm sure some of you are looking to see how it is in real life, because there's not a lot of commercials and stuff about it, and how it works, because it took me a little minute to figure out how it clicks in and how it clicks out. So I just wanted to show that to you guys. And it's very, very easy. Most cars have it on both sides. If you have 3 seats like you do in the X7 and some X5s, they'll have it even back there. You just click it in to the little hole, slide the thing open, click it in there, and then you're good to go. And when you're ready, just pull on it really tight. It has 2 little things on each side. You squeeze and pull it, and boom, you're out, and you're good to go. And it just has some really, it's just a great thing. Also, it has USB-C charging. So if you have passengers and that need to charge their stuff, or you have an iPad thing set up to do the iPad, which is like right here, it's just really, really cool. So I just wanted to do a quick video on it, because I had never seen it, and I wanted to show it to you guys in case you had never seen it, and maybe it's something you've been looking for or thinking about. So I hope this helps. Love seeing your beautiful faces, and I will catch you in the next Zacchaeus video. Told you, short and sweet. Peace.